How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of hunger without eating food, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. I've been bulking and cutting. I've been bodybuilding and powerlifting for 12 years. So I'm really good at manipulating my weight. I'm really good at gaining muscle or losing weight. Lots and lots of practice. I know what you guys are doing with the hunger. You guys are getting super hungry. You're probably doing a weight loss cycle. You're trying to lose weight. You probably hit all your calories for the day, and you're still hungry, or you're just hungry all the time. So how can you get rid of hunger without eating food? Believe it or not, a lot of times when you're actually hungry, you're not actually hungry, you're actually thirsty. And this is especially true if you do not drink enough water during the day, if you're a little bit dehydrated. Your body will mix up the signals. Your brain will tell your stomach that it's hungry. In reality, it's actually thirsty. And I noticed this probably my second year of bodybuilding or powerlifting. I'm like, I just ate 4,000 calories. How am I still starving? And then I realized, okay, I had 1 glass of water all day. And then I started increasing my hydration. And then it's like, okay, I'm not eating as many calories anymore. Plus water fills up your stomach, makes you more full. So what I would do next time is, when you are hungry, the first thing that I would do is drink 1 cup of water. Wait 10 minutes and then see how you feel. If you're still just starving, then what you can do is either eat food, or you can have another cup of water and then wait another 10 minutes. Normally what I do is, if I'm losing weight and if I'm super hungry, even though I just ate like maybe an hour ago, I will drink 1 glass of water. I will wait 15 minutes. If I'm not really hungry anymore, I'll have another cup of water and then I'll see how I feel. Trust me when I say this, a lot of times when you are hungry, you're not actually hungry, you're just thirsty. Another way to get rid of the hunger without eating food or drinking water is to make yourself busy. When I am watching a TV show or a movie or anything like that and I'm just into it, even if I'm a little hungry, I can watch that show for 2-3 hours, no worries. And then the thing is, you're basically tricking your mind. If you just sit there thinking, oh yeah, I'm hungry, you're gonna get hungry. But if you do other things, you kind of distract yourself a little bit, it makes it way easier. That's why when I'm losing weight, I try to be as busy as possible during the day, you guys. So, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.